Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki here, and I'm so excited about this video because I always get requests to share my current handbag, work bag, anything bags, and I love doing it. And this is my new summer bag. It is the Austin Fowler Briggs bag, their new work bag. Many of you know that I am a huge fan of the Austin Fowler brand, and so I am so excited about this video, so let's get started. Okay friends, so I am currently at my parents' house. I've been coming here. They live about 3 hours away from me. I come here during the week to care for my mom, and then I go back home on the weekends. Many of you know that my mom was diagnosed 6 months ago with bone cancer, and we are just kind of working to get her back to her normal self. So I'm kind of splitting my time temporarily. So that's kind of why I've been hit and miss, if you're curious about that. But one thing I do love about being here is the pool, because I can come out here before it gets too hot and enjoy, my coffee and some work time. And that's why I love having this bag, because not only is it stylish and it's just classic with that classic black, when you open it, it has that beautiful, vibrant turquoise color, teal turquoise. I go in between that. You all know how much I love. You know this is my color. You know how much I love it. And so it just makes the bag fun. So in organizing the bag, if you're on my Instagram, you may remember I posted the bag. If you're not on my Instagram, why are you not on my Instagram? I'll put it in the link below. Definitely would love for you to come join me over there. I'm at home with Nikki on everything: Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, all of it. But back to the bag. So Austin Fowler sent me their new Briggs work bag a couple weeks ago, and I was over the moon excited because I had been low-key eyeing this bag so hard because I was like, it is just absolutely beautiful. It also comes in different colors if you don't like the black. So, we all have our different tastes. But one thing that I love about it is that it had that chic on the outside, just nice classic black, but on the inside it's just a lot of fun and just beautiful. And so I knew when I went to organize this bag that I wanted to bring in those elements of that teal. You all know I have a lot of accessories that fit within that color. If you've been with me a while, you've seen some of this stuff before. So what I did was I pulled it out to give myself a refresh. And that's one tip that I want to share is to give your bags, your work bags, your handbags a refresh at least every quarter. Go in, clean them out, change them out, give yourself a fresh perspective when it comes to your work bag and bag. It really can provide you some motivation. And so it was really refreshing to be able to set this bag up, give my work bag a restart by kind of unpacking it and packing it into another bag. So that's really huge. So in the bag, you all know there's no secret to my organization of all my bags, whether it's a handbag or work bag. I like for everything to be in compartments or departments, however you want to say it, so that when you can look down in the bag, you can easily get to what you need. I don't like having randoms just kind of placed in the bag because that's what makes it disorderly when you have things that you have to dig out. I also love bags that have exterior pockets so that you can store those easy grab things, those things that you have to grab, such as your phone or a pen or business cards and things like that. So I want to take you through now, and first I want to share with you the empty bag so that you can see the beauty in this bag, and then we're going to pack it together so that you can see how I organize my work bag. So first, as we start, like I said, it is absolutely beautiful. I love the exterior, the black chic. It's very durable. I love that it has the gold hardware, really pretty, so that I knew that when I had any accessories for my work bag, I was going to stick with that gold hardware. So then I pulled out my items that were in that teal color, such as my disc-bound covers and my wallet and all of those things, because I knew that I wanted a combination of the black and the teal. But looking in the bag, it has plenty of room, plenty of pockets, beautiful zippers. It's just really, really a very spacious bag. Plus, I love that it has a place to put my laptop with the padding so that it's protected and so that I don't really have to put it in its own case, because to me, that's not really user-friendly to have to pull it out of a case all the time. So I love that it has that built-in capability to just drop my laptop in there and go. And so these are key things that you want to look for with your work bag. So now that I have shown you this absolutely beautiful bag, let's go ahead and pack it. So the first thing I want to do is I want to put those larger items in first, and that's going to be my disc bound. This is my actual work planner. This is the working not my work per se planner, but this is the work planner that I use on session days. When I have clients, I use my big disc-bound planner here because it keeps all my client information in there. I can even reference our summaries and things like that. What I love about the disc-bound is I can easily change it. If I wanted to change this to my turquoise cover, I could have done that, but I decided to keep the black one on to just kind of mix and match it a little bit, keep it between the black and the turquoise. But then the actual planner, my work planner, I switched it out into the turquoise planner. And this is a Filofax planner that I've had several years. You all remember this. If I can find it, I will put a link to it in the description box below. But it picks up perfectly on that bag, and so I will put that in there. So when I'm packing my bag, again, putting those larger pieces in first. Then it's time to put all of my different compartments in. So one is the wallet. I love having a wallet that is kind of like a clutch. You can carry like a clutch, because if you go off or you go to lunch, it's easy to just kind of take the wallet, grab it, go to lunch, and you don't have to take your entire work bag. So having a clutch style wallet is great. So I love that. The next thing is, now we have to have this, our COVID kit. I have my COVID kit, and it's basically just this bag here, mini bag here, wrap bag, that I have my gloves in here, I have my mask in here, and I absolutely love this mask. I have to share this. One of my clients, and if you're watching this, thank you so much. I love. She's one of my local clients, and unfortunately because of COVID, we can't work together, so I can't go in her home, and so I haven't seen her in forever, and she mailed me this mask that she actually made. And friends, this is the amazing part about it. It's in the colors of the bag. She has no clue I had this bag. I got it before I even got the bag from Austin Fowler, so it was like meant to be. But it has that teal. If you look at the stitching, it actually has the teal stitching, and with it having the black, it just goes perfectly with it. Now this is a mask that I would wear. I have different masks. I have the disposable mask. I have kind of a pack of those. Those I tend to use when I'm wearing makeup. That way I don't get it on my good mask. I do have a black one that I wear when I wear makeup also. So I keep all of the mask in there. I also have, of course, the sanitizer and my gloves. You know, you have to have that COVID kit. So when you're thinking about your work bag now, this is something now that we have to think about, is putting that kit in there so that we kind of protect ourselves. The next thing is, of course, my tech bag, having a place to put all of those tech items. But I do put my headphones on the outside of the bag because of convenience. And when you're packing and organizing your bag, you know, think about that. And then the other thing is just kind of having my pen case so that I can put all of my pens and things like that in the bag so I can easily get to them. I love corralling them in some type of pen case. So by putting all of your pens in some type of case, you're really protecting everything is right. If it does have an accident, it's within that case and it doesn't ruin your bag. I then have this little coin case here, and this is just a small mini wallet that I use for kind of my candy. You know, sometimes you just need that little boost, and so I'll keep a little candy and gum in here, and I have that kind of just tucked away there. And so I can just have all those things corralled in here so that I can easily get to them. And then on the outside of the bag, those are where I put those key things. Like I said, I have my eyeglasses here. I just put them in my little Tiffany case that I've had for years from my previous eyeglasses. I also have in here my headphones, like I told you, so that I can easily grab and go, and I have them in this little black leather case here. And I also have a place for my business cards. I can just easily pull them out, and I have them here. Another thing that I want to share with you is this reusable Ziploc bag. And I love this because if I want to kind of put some strawberries or a little snack in there, I can use this. I got it from Target. And the great thing about it is that it's reusable, so I'm not wasting bags, and I can just kind of use the same thing. Of course, I love that it's the color of the bag. And also, I like having a compartment for beauty items. This may be in a bag, sometimes a little mini makeup bag, sometimes with my work bags, but in the Austin Fowler bag, in the Briggs bag, I put it on the outside because right now for the summer, I'm not really about the makeup. It's more so just my lotion. I don't even use a lippy or anything like that I'm carrying with me now. It basically is just having my lotion. If you're working, kind of by a pool or anything, you definitely want to put your sunscreen, but somewhere, again, on the outside of the bag so that it's easy to carry. I also love that this Austin Fowler bag has a section in the back where you can just slip it over your pool suitcase. So it's great for travel. This is really a great bag for every day, for travel, and I really love it. So friends, I am really happy with the bag. It's absolutely beautiful. It's everything that I thought it would be. And so I'll link all the information below for the Austin Fowler Briggs bag. And I will say that I have a discount code, Nikki20, so that you can get 20% off of your order. That's my affiliate link. So I'll put that below if you're interested in the bags. But I really can say I have had their bags for some time now. And also check out their Instagram. Have a beautiful Instagram page. And why I like staying on top of their Instagram is because I can always see when they get those new releases out, those new bags. I am on it. So I definitely go ahead and stay on top of Austin Fowler's Instagram page. So friends, I hope that I could share something with you to really help you with organizing your work bag, especially if you're working from home. You know, and I do want to say that if you're working from home, you should have a work bag because you can get out the house and go, even if you go sit in front of Starbucks or you go sit in front of the park in your car and work, you know, just temporarily to give yourself that outlet. You know, this is what we have to do now. And having that mobile ability, that mobile work office, your work bag could really, really help keep you productive and help keep that sanity in such crazy times. So friends, I hope that you are doing great. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.